hospitals ahodo aban no e de boama onipa se woni apomudina wo ye bibie enye chese yade yeso obi benya wa na yade eno nti no omampani Nana Akufo-Addo ama pomdi ho hia no asante mantem ha na obo pepe ni ko hwe Kumawu hospital o ma hyase kra maternity ne mortuary ene odisi ewu abetim de na Kumawu hospital ye na to ha ma se yefunu ne se wonyi sen ne ade ni ho ade abetim akọ o mo kire se 22nd May no there on be fully operational say orthopedic one gynecologist one labs so bibia bi na just say na Akufo-Addo e de atudwa say on pese oba be bie hospital ano no agya hokọ na ya bie Kumawu hospital entinke ba enko akobia no so ye hia adwuma ase no ejesia no formula for ase adwuma ase omoye adwuma Kumawu Oma bie hospital korongu kwa de omu hyase kwa nsa no kobia no tepanso hyase be kwa hospital so se wi ade eze aka akwan ba ko mienu bi ndem dwere ho amenti ase de ntie mi se wi hospital ba ko na ye se nkane asem regional minister ma yete se oma wie sa plant no a oma timi kura supply se wi are important say my life of krana ekuro no kura betimi enya plant no ama omo kane ahosem no about 16 kilowatt to 1 no de ever ho afari hospital so om se be hamo abupen ediokunu num de oma wie akasa om beto niam kakra bi ti afi we no afari hospital so befa no omo kan say 31 hospitals ena Nana Akufo-Addo ye hu adwuma eti be nso ide eche say afi we de ombe bia no ena agenda 111 no so just a one juma de oma wia kra ene se wa santimante ba no pay ye ne abedwa fo bejo che komo samre utna fie na se efie be ye de na anije no ebedi mu a wo hia home appliance so to papa na wan san so anko se ko repairs wo to de ne bo so e affordable a wo betima e den etimi atwasa che busika de ahwe oma enye okoto TV wie ya afefie je adum ni bi oto kettle blender microwave oven at debi Kennedy digital satellite and I make come for amount of pay Christian atenase na mpom te say
oman nyame adum bia woko
do ba dia say anopɛ ba meet you
oman ye fa konya we so na ye fa nche kese mo obi biara Nyankopɔn ayewa dum na ode na achew na utie Sompa FM 93.1 yenso ayewe TV no Sompa TV anope Kennedy ase na yedi obi biara oman se osisi ase no osisi fie be ye de fie be ye nika embofra ni beji empenfo ni beji a oman home appliances de bia metra se ram pese me kasa anse mu ifi se obi anim se ne ma we eni fie a efie nya nika emofra be TV ye be no nsu anom ye de kettle ye man ye be no aduani wi a oman de aka ne be hye fridge ye didi wi a de aka ne be hye fridge oman ye num nsu a de aka ne be hye fridge oman adrompo ye numa de aka ne be hye fridge oman ye be sinema e ofie ye be hia ye washing machine kama oman ye be no aduani ofie ti be hia ye gas cooker with oven ye be hia table burner no ye nyina bi enti na Kennedy tasala no pe ye betra se enema we die efu ye mo bibia ya sa de me say hwasam ye for you man say a necessity because my yes so na e school kaka no say the basic necessity of life you say home appliances because hospitals kwa man you work we are look at the things around air conditionings ni televisions ni fans ni ma e wo ho ma o man ni na e bomo hospitals do makoso sane bo we na no pay Kennedy tasela ya party on say there be sane bo we dey wo say nyame yo bibia do no bia nya bi on fie oman so bia benya bi on fie dia oman abraba ye be satani nyina nya pe oman namum sa ade ne bo wo fom na se ne bo fode a eni nyame yo bia do mo bia tumi atobi intano pe Kennedy betre ha ye se ye ma TV bo aye fofofo enti se TV pa ho aseba otirima bia ba ko na ko e ho ye Kennedy ahwe oman se fridge pa ho aseba otirima oman so bi so pe fridge ye sini dem oman se fridge ho asem pa na opede a be benya fridge e papa ne bo for ma Kennedy ahwe oman se condition pa na ope samre wie mo ye hia show yare bebrebe aman ene nam fama ebe nipa so oman se de me yenu ama ye nyare am ye nya hotoso am ye timada oman ama asumdwa befia oman air condition nti e bia me se air condition pa na ope dia oman so do ni bete na Kennedy ahwe because nipa ni bebrebe ka ene air condition ni boy de ene air condition me touch me light na me nam Kennedy so akofa air conditioner oman se wo to a entwo light ebo no esa dafom nti 1.5 horsepower no bi so ope 2.0 horsepower ope 2.5 horsepower oman so do ni bete na Kennedy digital seller me so wonya akonya na sa wo hwem a telephone numbers ni go screen ni so fefe be bia wo bia se wo pe TV se wo pe fridge se wo pe air condition se wo pe kettle se wo pe iron wo pe blender wo pe ceiling fan wo pe standing fan wo pe stabilizer wo pe deep freezer wo pe gas cooker with oven do be no so de ne kama wo pe washing machine fefe oman obi so pe sound system pa de sini dem oman obi so pe sound system pompo e de akon sport kito bi obi oman aseye obenya ne ma we bia tona de papa no oman Kennedy digital seller no ma ye nationwide delivery ba bia wo bia o panye mani bia to wo se wontimi ma Kennedy afia a number de tu dan fe telephone number ni sisi awfa Mr Kennedy dia so be fa no wedding kita fefe number se di dan 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 bia wo bia fe telephone number we a woni Kennedy be di kita ho fefe no man sisi de nyame ado Mr Kennedy say so what to mamu na so woni adwuma ya wasamo ya if you say adwuma no poto da wo ye bi na ye de no ma wo de woni bi ye kura o manyame wadom na woni adwuma na wo ya o ma benya sika gubutum edi enti Mr Kennedy akofa adwuma de abere na man na sentiment ni wiasema nyina se entena fa ko enka se na Ghana de adwuma ye den ya me na Mr Kennedy so kofa Kennedy fufu ponde machine aba yakofa Kennedy meko machine aba omana kofa Kennedy aburo machine aba omana kofa Kennedy popcorn machine aba obi so obeso onya machine odi si kwan ho baabi odi siri fie animu na oche popcorn na o ma oton obi so say opeso wo to fufu ponde machine bi na odi ye adwuma no so ne mbantin ma omo setimi call ma no obi so hia pepper machine e fe no meko machine ya eno ya meko je na kekeduo ni nyayam ni bia in la konti so opebi Mr Kennedy say uni how bia isi afato won say da bi Ghana mani asantumani bi asema empanifo ni bi kro hodoma konya adwuma nko beye enso wontimi nkomma intoman isi de wadu Mr Kennedy nyame na Mr Kennedy so akofa Kennedy fufu ponde machine aba ya oman say wotobi na wodi sifa ko na wodi adwuma say sika bebrebe na de bi because oman say fufu de obi anim say asantumani Ghana mani bi asema ye fufu di ni agro na hode ye de be fufu ni we Mr Kennedy say da bi eni ni pantimi mo fufu de eni akofa de machine aba we no ba bi obi di ni fufu obi no ne banche ni body odi free baby ano ufufu machine ni sifa ko a wo ma na no waji sika wo ma na no waji sika enti we ye adwuma kase so no a Kennedy de kita sala ko fa ba se entina fa ko betobi ne fa ya adwuma abante bi ho ababa bi ho da bi o ma na ma sika na me kan form say uri eja ni sika ne ma bobo sika na wo de ma ni nyina ka che se ma me ma tofu bande machine bi ama ba bi awo bi a se wo kura se wo krom se ba bi a oti bi ano fesi wo ne fa ya adwuma na be wo sika dodo a o ma me no benya se wo kopa bo sempa o ma me no mo bia we na Mr Kennedy si afato wo se da bi we ye adwuma kase me ko machine so nyina for commercial purpose ni nyina Kennedy di abase bra be tobi ne fa ye adwuma ye delivery services nationwide ye the numbers ni to dwa wo bia opese ye di fufu ponde machine bi ana me ko machine bi ana pepe machine no ana ni nyina ye di bi mano wa wo pe bia popcorn machine ko bi na opa ye di bi mano wa asumdie so na number wo be fa wo ni Kennedy be dingita ho no ene ye di be to dwa no fa telephone number ni se sie Kennedy frey ne ni kita ho be bia wo bia no ye de bi mano wa asumdie oba unya problem bia ye number se na 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 and Mr Kennedy so di we nyina ba no se dabi se wie man ya hia mani pa ni bebrebe sansan ne yare eku omo ye no omba enti Mr Kennedy se dabi se de nyame nam Kennedy so ko fa air condition eye papa na de ma me trasa me se Kennedy ye survey bi ebuse won sa de ti nipa ni bebrebe enti air condition enipa ni bi se air condition board enne what den ne bra Kennedy affair na air condition ne board fo ye papa e board and top from obenya bi ato enipa ni bebrebe se dabi yetimi tompa ena etwe light ne do Mr Kennedy se dabi ye so bo wenya wi ne ko fa R40 410 air condition man erisu gas a oton entwo light because you drink Ghana money asantemani bi asema nyina wo say ya fact also said there be enipa ni gye de enam Kennedy so and everybody and e be gye atum pefefe into my yes ba ye kenyana say air condition pa na wo so pato de a enko ba bibia baby odo ni be kire obenye air condition papa no Kennedy ahwe 1.5 horsepower na ope 2.0 horsepower na ope 2.5 horsepower na ope o ma bro Kennedy ahwe no ma we are 410 air condition o man ento light o to no di confia e be yusu gas na me say ye de Kennedy bia ye totally no bia say o de nsem ya ye kekekeken bra Kennedy ahwe honom be hwehwe your prices ni nyina uwe ja hokonto de no kwa monte ko compare price na bo say ampa the whole Ghana e home appliance pa na ope air condition pa na ope e fupo de machine ope dia baby obinye de popana ne boda fom no Kennedy ahwe Kennedy see the air condition pa de e ho se about tirima bra Kennedy ahwe the better condition da fom a ne bo for less than 3,000 Ghana cedi ya wo the confidence o man ento light o man you we nyina na se da bi se de hu se da bi fridges hu abehia these are necessities and you hu hia o man there also be any bonifie any second se fridge hu hia fridge many penny je e ma sumdwe ba o man se ye aduane se de be se fridge na de be entum because se ska hu ade dia any o man se fridge pa na wo pato a afia do ne be tene Kennedy afia se tabletop fridge na wo pato se double door na wo pato se deep freezer na wo pato wo pe fridge na bi obi se wo do pinu kwa o man wo Kennedy afia wo benya biato enti ye ka fo bi bia se fridge pa dia o man afia ne Kennedy obi so pe tabletop obi ko so pe deep freezer dia kokko ye adwuma ye ne ye ton so bolo ye ne ye coaster ye ne ton so ye ne ton drinks ice kenke ye ne sa ne ma we na ton fridge adwuma die kase ye fridge dimutintima na Mr. Kennedy da bi se fridge be bo ma ni panya adwuma ye se fridge be bo ma asumdwa be fie dia ene ye wo se fridge boyefo into ma so pe fridge e papa be be fridge no Kennedy ahwe obi so pe deep freezer pa dia ko coaster because the freezer koto ya odi ni nam gumu no o man problem ene Mr. Kennedy da bi a fact ho so say mo ye shop provision shops get ofie obi ko so pe showcase fridge na niam gumu na wo say hu niam no obi so pe bi ato Kennedy say ya fact ho so say be ma niam we boyefo into pe fridge type biato o pe tabletop o pe double door the freezer no so na fridge no form and I said the fridge no so na the freezer no form I say odo ni betie no Kennedy so because we ho no ma fridge is bo f na bo ne da form fofofo o pe say manu be delivery services nationwide no man obi say o pe Kennedy e wadum family plaza building the first floor patas ye wadum house Kennedy junction and can so wait at old barrier
okay
number see to Daniel sorry to me sraw fa number ni sia number say Daniel 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 TV is a hood when you need Kennedy affair freezer hood when you need your rice cooker kettles irons blenders TV type piano promotion that so to TV near more decoder need you Kennedy affair or man locations near to so to me throw for telephone number is CA na for location and can phone you wait old barrier kokro bi teja so man travel and atpel edum se wadum house Kennedy junction me so patasi ye nyemra ho intercept for number is 0244 385 128 o ma se home plan for the boat company be me no
Kennedy Digital Seller.
Omanhene shop.
Abonon Sompa meter de nu wa Dawood Herbal Clinic. Say diabetes, pressure, stroke, awon ulcer, sexual weakness. Say go to dwenum ne honam tutuo any joint pains there. Any Dawood Tons have for us a Brahmo Hospital was if you are signing so Kumasi so I just so crapper near the no bienu aba 360 capsules and no waist pains any rheumatism and no ebe year every hormono afi ointment no so say we di twitwina no eboa rheumatism esa neck pains obo osem da me cause there be o kon no ye naso enema bi ni ntini bi no ne nerve no na and one na ye ntina emu tutuo any sisie ya de utwitwini no Fred 0244 886437 Dawood Herbal Hospital. I just look up a corny and show. So we are sending so for the 0244 886437. Kangen and Najak drinking water so kroja bujunsu papa bi unya binuma na bibia koso kama de amount hydrogen rich like calcium magnesium potassium iron etunum so ya ebo ni pedua wo ban emansuo timi gina wo munsu won dehydrate sa so na ye antioxidant ntino emafi utimi junso kama na mesra wa brema UGC Tafu New Road, Abawa Route, Kanjen de Ekoni Peduanma, and now minerals near the CSC ni Peduano. On Abu Huyan Fred 0241 449191 0241 449191 now 0507 379474 na bibia koso kama na property electronics ane property electronics there eno an say what do ani actually Tony Sack honomo adum pick and pay honomo new Kumasi dan kase no new welcome no ye ne ni hwe animu kane Pania honomo Southern Wesley Matter to Sania Triangle no didn't div anymore. Se uko PM ewo sunyane so akoko board runabout. Yani oe baby e fabas ni div anymore sphincter so ye wo depo kese ewo ho. Na Wesley Matter this triangle na no Sania property electronics, TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, Wi-Fi, inverter, washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, home theaters, electric irons. Fresh 0500309309 0500309309. Amy Scientific. 20 different certified medications. Food and Drugs Authority Ajiatum. Eba stroke, fertility, any chronic diseases ahodwa. For Nichre, the #1 leading alternative medical hospital in the whole of Africa. Your MRI machine, the highest form of MRI. I be chow ni pedie fruit so diagnose yade no. As I recommend a dry emfama MRI machine tie. Hey, enyagro. Say Africa akra wunya be na ase num ana say kan wona fo ni kire Amy Scientific wa atwema tachiman kwada so kwaso atwema tachiman se no so nya tachiman sunya na atwema tachiman kwada so ena race course hwanimu kejeti anso 0277001234 0277001234 na oni atwetwe nkomo time eba mixture say 3D pa honam tutuo general bodily pains udidi a won think I want de na malaria adokro won de udia ne time herbal mixture TIME. After the time HH herbal mixture and the capsule swaba for the general well-being, immune system booster. On komoano a babo or more bama ya dear the term one and nedi or private parts so near maybe go one penno. Time HH herbal beboa 0244 417 0244 417 St. Louisa local rice. Ya the Ghana heya ya diane ha a jasmine seed a yi 11 ti jollof say it will taste pa fried rice na oye say rice or tampo say rice ball so bibi bia di mu ye biaro say Louisa na faye a local rice Ghana mo na ya seda aye na packaging say o pesa we agenta say Louisa say free number C, number almost 6,200. Ombe supply near get worth about 50,000. 0204 649743 0204 649743. Ubehuyo said Louisa Herbal Clinic La Paz. Yeben Eco Bank and our police container 0543 435 746 0543 435 746. MBBA Kosu. So person twitwiri see ya na ndema toto dima no wanum nkane ade a me kanfo Yas toothpaste and toothbrushes amount Yas toothpaste eba in 3 form ya on your friend total care toothpaste and no say tokro bade dawsim unya kaka ana prak niam be se ose ase no ebe clear ni nyina da afi white no so ma ose ye fitas ama fresh breath na herbal no so medicinal no ntino e boss se wo ba ma no strong tea healthy gum and fresh breath se ope duke ope princess ope duchess monarch toothbrushes are Yas for any chain and quality nyinara Freya was 0501390337 open to support 0501390337 oko please at one mile be 0501390338 na bibia koso kama ede amount se koko na adokro wa mesrewa 3 eco capsules 3 eco capsules ka hobo modern na fo ani kire Kolinak Apidan Dani ana Misty a yi waste space a shikoko nase na sanso so and count baba Emma Yamusun Tim for the 3A co capsules for 0546 107 107 Kokonye Timako Konye won't trafie Abra and Juma Wire Ding or boss ne be you a dear can't wait. Therefore, Nichre, Kolinak, Danny, Apidan Kana Misty 0546 107 107 3P garlic 3P garlic a free pure natural so blood pressure wasro menstrual pace afi asthma afi why kesedodo until your body mass weight no length na yes why your obesity and this are dey way to stroke and no so do ato on set me titriti your friend numbness afi utimi say oh sorry what that sorry so what bre you are stressed okwa adwuma ba se bibisi okwa achi ojonso nyina so ye urinary retention ofu aye kapu wo sha atade a obeti batim na abetuma na ebiebie afei doctor say we nyina no 3P garlic mixture ebeboa pure garlic extract natural plant juice vitamin C minerals ashemu dewa vitamin C wom free 0248 928824 0248 928824 and 0201 000021 0201 000021 and Kasi Angel Herba Kofori dia Gapsi Pharmacy Kumasi Kolinak and Chris K o frɛ omo a obenya bi ato anopay also yadea and then one show ya obeka say also yadea no kra no obi abotua chese esie nipa bebre nanso so Dr. Dimpa de entimi sie no o mfidie ne niema chese nyame aseda mani nimde enu ti ono no on ka so obesa yade we ne die nyina ne say wo yam eye wo chi wani su de bri wo da wo nane ade a o se bra second floor Wallace Towers the chamso menhia kwa no so Dr. Memwache
enua
now bomb to say
nyame adom wa bie pon ya mai
awurade abie pon papa na semble te say obie pon ya tuma pie and then now see you be the 10 commandments
yes and you be the 10 commandments yes and ye ka is the impa for tenase ya kire say stomach ulcer ho asem na ye ka eno nti no bibia fa ye funu na abeduru wakoma ya ha wadwen o check your pressure yes eye ya mo akotwa ECG echo esi problem bi anim o da so te ha wakoma mu ana wo bo ho ya wo ya hwehwe dimpa kira kwan ye be ma asomdua ba ama onipadua abante ba ko on kenkan so o se ne opese ono adi adanse
ba men kwa homa no so na menen twetwe nkomo mabrante me moache hello now what to say
nyame adom dog na patrol so
dog wa we Omanhene
Omanhene nyame adom Omanhene na patrol so
me ho ye pa na yesena
nyame ase Omanhene
ugo pie mo dimpa na wo bre ede na koso e wo ni pie ma edu ko pie ho
no kwe Omanhene say ye fa me Mr. Apia me kasa free and king kensu na say 3 February ho eba me yem mayase me lower abdomen eni mi sisi achi in fact Omanhene na nye easy kra me da me na afi mi hu se ne sotua na eti na symptoms ne so no eba late in the night intimi na mako hospital ahodo kinkansu government hospital mako confirm no chichese me di akira nunu bebri nenso no na mi hu ensesan ye bia na we na me TV ho adum TV na mi hu se dog edi Dimpa Herbal Clinic ho adanse na mi yense no me fa dog number na ma frɛ no na makɔ na me nso bakɔpɛ mayarisa
that's right
if no dog my dog ye ni said bra na wo ba ye di mfidi be hwehwe oni padua nim da bia yare na hinta bia no ye be so anu ama Omanhene mantena se me fa car ekɔ di chenso dog ho na in fact me kodu ho no esewani ense okanche dog di mfidi hwehwe mi ni padua in fact mfidi wo ahweye ho de esewani na dog nya botre diagnose me who say a gastric ulcer.
Okay.
And as a yemisa. Now, mammy knew a hodo, semimra, namimenum, or de mrato, who knew your male once, who did so, the Luna. In fact, Ubinya Wahuto. Now, me call dog on China any 1 week, Nanso, Omanhene me Babanu no. 1 week, grandma, you, Nanso no, and Sisaya Benny Pedu anymore. Now, I was semi dear dance here at the Dimpa Eba Clinic. It is a clinical, we expert. Also treatment, me recommend the hospital Biase Dimpa Eba Clinic.
Tiawa, doc.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tosso.
I don't me that say a branch away need any different on one can a frame, say, or per se. Dear dance every set. Also, a background, a background, every set. The no near man or Femuno. I'm saying 20 mega carina. A dear Yabako, Brabo Mupane say, a dear son any penny nada. Now, one to Minda.
Why you careful swad your down chain?
What do actually? You're waiting, my men to us so, yes, sir. Nipa bebre ayahe wo mo ne say anopa me bebe obi afre me akora bi ehwe 3 years ago ana o se wasa ahia se enya symptoms no ana me ka yes won do mo fara mra but e kire say enema bi o hono mo a esa to sini bi o enu ti na ye kire ni asaba ye chi abefa the 10 commandments of stomach ulcer treatment the edika yes so wunya stomach ulcer as a sa reduce oil intake any red meat and nam na sade nam na nam wa ye kokokoko sa ohwe ni yie
ayi oil no ye ayi
anwa ene nwu nyina na sa wotiso
ena sade
nam sa wotiso fi se
obi ayi na ntwinam ne aponche egu na dua so osa
so as sa wotiso fi se ade bia be ma digestion slow down bia be ba be hawadwen oil so oni padua mu a digestion be problem afei abenkwan katekwan ne rere eyenkwan bia a chance na digest nya ka aduane bi hu kope e go slow down digestion enu nti you rere abenkwan ne ka
so what would be the convenient time and ka this aduane it shouldn't be anumre
yes sir
no ga obi a wo ye adwumaden a obetuma di na anopa na awia
also miane we nye problem
but so also dia
enko ho ansa twen
opa jaidi
kakra se uyo obi a uni also kra no a ubedi abenkwa ubedi nkatekwa ubedi we eni na najo
because a buffer utiri
yes a slow down digestion
how is your heartburns
yes and uni also kra no ubedi aduane a ankwan we no oye no gina mo dia sani sen oye no gina to pa asumdwe a uni also kra no eni na najo ina no pa na sa wi aye kwa yanim avoid acidic food fruit and carbonated drinks
and the acidic food no
as
fruits
no yeah oranges pineapple na edumre bia apple yeah
apple so apple go audia obotime shisho
enti no
just also pineapple
yes
orange if you will life
no need the first two if you want
kwadu do obetime
okay afei so we hear say eniema na ituso
to send the carbonated drinks no what can no
be so nenom so we obi a wanya osa ye to so ye and say we did me broso because my cancer stomach ulcer and a challenge can say pa indigestion and we did me do I just nika wa hye no maboro na woni bia peace wo enyam yi nti wo pa asomdwe a mo wodi die no nya nkakra na entumi enya adwuma afei yese enema de gas eba oni paduam beans milk as I said we free wodi
beans wa bra wonya stomach ulcer hwe beans die obi so go be pa ulcer so onimo
na milk product
ogodi ana kan ho
okodi pe be kan ho afei yese late supper enidi anadwo so stomach ulcer a general issue for obia but wo stomach ulcer there
very conscious
unidi anadwo afi aduane ba ko a ya hwe stomach ulcer for the past 8 years aduane ba ko a reverse a treatment by body apese so obi anyare ulcer aduane pa very good stomach ulcer and ade ba ko ha obi ba no stomach ulcer no diabetes a na amana tia say hope say odi body na e wonu fu because bibi wo body no mu a o wesa ne sen emfi emma entimi emwa digestion edu nipa no bebre odi body apese wie ya na also no aka no ho eno nti sa wo pese unya asomdue ntem ewo treatment a wo ye wo stomach ulcer ho a that commandments no ba ko say wo de yi body apese efrimu na yenko yanim ye to so ye spices bebre emwa ulcer treatment especially ekau na nze ne ba bia ba me dwere ho amenti ase koko hausa koko ye nipa ne bi di kan tu nimu de omne kwaye wo
kwa de nka asuru wi sa
no de enti ade kan
asuru wi sa no kwa de
so no tumu a emane nye de back
ekan
enti enipa bebre ye hwe wo
unim dog ubetima di house akoko bi unya ha bens
yes
ubetima kodi fufuro the whole day na wo house akoko first na yesu so ye di house akoko ye nya bens and di house akoko a ubutimi sisiu sa
ene ma bi bam wo ma bi be kwai o se koko a oto no da bia no dak wo ko e na nipa no anye e no koto another one the whole day na me say koko in the best 3 occasions and mama won say na me say me busa what is happening and almost say ebi no mo de ekan atum
ekan so na no padide Elisa ba dru me bia obeba no pa na come de o say o mo nto koko bi mre me koko no e be say 3 as 4 bi wa ba ku bi me monitor ba obedi bia na oboya o chewo sa o je say ono mandru libaso
bibi wo muntia enti enipa omo ye aduane ma ye no mo na dodo no na ekuye enti se uhu se bi wo mu amesro se stomach ulcer why ni because e kan fra aduane bia enti na omo ye
don't say
omo de ye
so beans so omo de kan fra
kan ba mu a na say commandments no o toton ba me ensa no enti de e kan ho bi o ye painkiller stomach ulcer and so take painkillers and the assembly the 10 commandments they try to on say stomach ulcer some there and one in chaba bia ka dimpa natural health the day asemo ba we and say wo kuma senko a di chem so old health insurance abosan mu ujina airport on about busa say Pemensia road usiso a busa Dimpa Junction and our old health insurance abrosa no mu na bibia ni a your numbers are de edi djuma no 0246 744 744 744 0246 744 and 0245 11 84 34 0245 11 84 34 and it is stomach ulcer ho asem nko ade a ma dimpa ho asem na emra wo
ehia me da sipi
sendiko ina bekam miaro endo miaro ejumeidi ina beye miaro endo miaro obredi ina bebo miaro endo miaro aseni besini fengo miaro aseni miaro aseni miaro ina bebo aseni
definitely yeni ade ebeka oh my god asamba samre de apomde aso ya penina kwadare mu na wawe dare mu a wokotwi na wosese wo de awudu brofo edu na obrofo no mu edu asa ho beka twi ewo Guinness Depot hono na say ya trase Johnson the pop to say Dr. Mensa want to say
adumpa
bibi aboko and now no pay me was Solomon wa solo I want to say Solomon no na me dey say name na ka ho Solomon Anane
sure
we are Jaben this year na we are hin this year
asemi say me include na be miensa Jaben de me ko ye adwuma o
Jaben
but me din fie dio no 24 years in Jaben
24 years see Jaben de am say udi ade yi
because Jaben secondary school 2000 to me 24
and I watch that dey also
24 years
wow
secondary school
the hip and now
be ma me free Sante Bekwai and I'm papa free in Suta as the be ma mpon anya ma mpon Suta in Suta one number papa free
it's a way Asante de Shekan wow Mama Johnson ni komo emrana ye hwe ni mu se Victor so ba be kan sa na no pay ya buebie nsem na ni ma tutu na basa ne senia ya ma ne poma sibre Johnson Dr. Mensa mama ntio
yo yencha atifo enfamra Sompa TV ni Sompa Radio Dani da said ya moti enka titu ya wada anopase awo yinu apeni Omanhene Dwumadie so no Mesrewa ebane se wote Dr. Mensa nkadia obi kae de onim tuo no ene de ni gina atwere no ano enti wote Dr. Mensa nkase dia mesrewa se mukase kra na wa bomodin se obi jai de woye bia se ka kra na wutwa bomodin se obe pake na watie nsempa ene ne pa ya wode mawo ewo ewiase wemu Omanhene Yaw adwen se nkanoma bi wo anka efi na konke nka ne biu nanso yehu se nipa enema bi di nipa nya etika na ese ye kan no ayesa na ese ye kono efi se ene wiase bone wemu ene etie no na okase ujai ewiase we trawa ana wo hwe no ma obi kan asem wo se fala saa mesewa enema bedu nya efi se dumre bi a enema timi chichi nipa bare nipa echinchim nipa eye nipa basa ewo ne niam pia oyem oman obagye di say last week me kasa wa fidie bi so mitisi abontia na maami bi ne ba omusu abrante peni aden omusem nyansa one ne maami nua enya kasa wo fie na one ne kasa na asem ne maami nua ne ka che abrante ne say enti wo ya chinchimu nsa age wani mo nyam enti wo hu abrante no amfa no ofanagro ko si bra brante no tu kwan eko Israel na onya mfie dunwotwe ewo Israel abonten so na oba na chese obi kan sebi politin bag ni kuta na oba fie ekwa na brante ne twe na adwen ji so se na chese dun maybe dia na me maame eken ena abamu sai ya na besina me no de kasai oman dia ye che nyina no se edun bi a onipa bi a wo fie etimi se sanipa bi enema emani ye achinyia bia eni ho eduru mebi awo nua o papa o maame o ba empo abusua yetim eye saa na tie se de dan da ye ka no se eduru mebi abusua na ewe mu no wani beba won so no abusua bi o ha ye so abusua no wo sika pa na so ade na abusua we de emanim kura omu awo nim eduru mebi ye abusua de omu wo abusua we de omu pa wo pa na so na sika ni abusua num eduru mebi ye se abusua we de ade na mankwa na ewa abusua num sa eye sa na tie eduru mebi ye nananom ene de abusua na akogira sam pempen so we na ye musa se minu mienu ebe ye den ene ade ho afisa ade num ebe ye dan ya de ho afisa ohaw num ubewia said de bia ya na me come in simbi no asori okwa asori duru me bia se enkoba asu ukọba asu no se ba wo horo ho na yi ho intansan ebone nyina afiri ho na insuo na ete no ede ho bone ko na nka sebi insuo de eye dan ni bitimi ahoro ho bone nanso sa na tie enne besi na sisia ukọ Israel efambi oya bania ne akuma akokọ ne de hu moja no agu so Israel make say na ni dey omo da so yesa amamre no yesa na tie se onipa se ukọ haw bim
na eniam bi chinchin na afi wo gye ho enye afi wo gye ho bibia de ekwa no aye nkobesie mesaw ni nyina ne se eni na Dr. Mensa Dr. Wonder ya ho ma Dr. Mensa yakofa aduro yesesaduro de aba bonten se wo a ewiase abrabo unhunu so nyesa na nyame bon wo da bi da onyame amonipa bedi hia benya bebrese okwa aware anu asan ba fie otone ananioma bia ye basa onku a sebi bema oba oda na honhum bi ne oda enyesa na nyame bo nipa do ka ye bia metimi ase ne hu enyesa na nyame bo nipa da bi eduru mra bi a eye nioma bi ne di no ma bi achi mesaw bra Dr. Mensa so ye ya tu ye din sesaduro bra na bedi ahama eni nu bra ye de afra mako enso ne de afra bra ne bedware na ma onuoma o ya no enya bone dabi do beka say bone bi oboa onyame se ebedi dua na ba ne emfa eyebedi dua no na yemfa na ahan na ensa yare eye sa na tie enti we ya ahama ani afrafra se wo asabio okwa ware no asan ba fie eniema yenko besie bema onkoa akwantu sem ayedin onkoa enkrata uhunu so wo ware no asan ba fie awo sem ayedendenden otone ayento sika ntimi ncha wo nsem a bra ne bedware ehama ewe ehama keke na wo dware eye sesaduro Dr. Mensa eni e ka cha se wo dware ehama ya wo bedware sa na wotwe sa ode yawa wo bedware no wukuada anadudu mienu ede donko ntem ena abedware ahamai oyo oba a woni bema nya nhyiamudie oye bema nso anu oba nya nhyiamudie ebiem nso onwe na mmono oyo oba nso no wabu nsa eni kwasa wodo saka sa ahan bi meso ade bi a oya entimi muwa wasekyem sa bema ekwanya bie no said ye wo mransem du twedi ampode mransem du ato wa ma no eye sa na tie bomode sa obeti ho afiri noma bi a enten ho eba ne sa enanso no miedru no ekwamu beda wadwuma wo ya hunu so wa ware usika ento nsem ana ahye no ni nyina wo behunu so meso minka nsem we said de bia me be chance ameka no me se yare ba ko a ehu na wo wiase a ojo ho a ebetimi adunya na agu wanimu asepa no eye anum kankan halitosis mesawa yare a ha adwempa emfa wo ne wa branch mu a wo ye emfa wo ne utomrosi ababa wa bia ye emfa wo ne wa ho ofa bia wo mesaw anum kankan yare eye yare a edini panya wa asase so oguru wa adwuma wom obetimi afrim ye betimi ayiwadi oguru wa adwuma wom no oba na yehwe wani achi na achi ni nyina ne se yare we edini panya papa enti wo a ukasa wuni se wanum eyi nka bamodi asa obeba Dr. Mensa ya soye ewo kotwi Guinness depo ehwo na Dr. Mensa ye chance ena no pa ya bamodi sa obefre yen sanso na monso am won kran a mo hwe yen no ye wo Madina Zongo Junction ehwo na yewura akompreko kin a Japan na bronsa kese no Oman FM no ehwo anso na Dr. Mensa ya soye kese no eni nti wo a wo hwe Dr. Mensa bia no hunu se yare bi afiru ti so ekoka wonamrum ya ye crowd say wo dia wo fran a eno anse me ha ya me ha ya betan se ya munim se aya na ye brani so a enti ye ntimi nkansam nyina mesramo monso amode hye anum nu bone munim se Dr. Mensa ya de kese pa onyame de ahye ye nsa no mo amode hye anum enu bone ye nyi bi mfim mentro e ma de hye no anum nu bone na daachwa betwese kan wo so daachwa befa aba e de abotim akun bra Dr. Mensa so ene mo waduro nefa koma no wo de wo ba memfa sa oni ode hye no memfa no ba enu anso beba bagye adure bi na wo de afre na duane keke amane die meka chew enu bone bia wo de hye no nom no ye betim no ato nchia anya de obenum biu yemfa Dr. Mensa number no entudwa ne frɛ yen enne ya sesiam no kase wo de frɛ yen ne ka wo hawo no e kyerɛ yen Dr. Mensa number no ye 0244 92 69 0244 92 69 and your 027 11 73 551 Samsung your 0532 92 80 95 and member no mutu kwanya bie no aniti ama mo mema yo ayemre no Mr. Bra Dr. Mensa aseye because bema bia otu kwan bia e ma wo bema wo ye no etimi yemre adentia bema sabi sa wonu de hye ana wo kan hye a so oto kwan no etimi katwom na so obema intinu na be so oto asensu intinu na aman sa na bema oto kwan bia ema obema eyemre titu emema na dane da no mutika mu no wan hweye enam heat ni ntino oto kwan no ebebie Dr. Mensa asoye ewo kotwi Guinness Depot na ye kan cheche for se Nyankopon yadma 5th May yewra opening kese osai boatin awoto Yesu kan ho no ono ye di ne 1 week ewo tafo SDA Yesu kan ho yewra yi wa film oye legend ewo numtum pa obi oni no eni no sanso na ye sister Lenda ochade wo okes ono so ye chia no onyame show bibia de nyame penaje no ena no pe ya obefred Dr. Mensa na afi oni ye di nkutaho.
Thank you very much. Dr. Mensa now take care. Solomon. Now what to say? Okay. I share the unveiling or the outdooring of running mates. Now, and yes, say outdoor no one and some of the tuja. Now, I have some snipers of it here. Quick one. He said, "Only Omanhene John Dramani Mahama Jiatum say." So the NDC's next government will prosecute corrupt MPP government officials and all other government officials even within the NDC. The Electoral Commission, he says, should be transparent and honest in 2024 elections because for her, the 2020 elections was not transparent. I will create women millionaires in Ghana by setting up Women Development Bank. I say, but you already roll. I don't know my posse. My minister maternity I did my or Ghana. Time no sir to be extended. Say a crime banner to me eba so obe bomb and penny John Dramani Mahama a chidoma. Whoa.
It is a chance to work
maternity leave.
towards building a country.
Professor Rana Jane say, Omanhene John Mama say, or the Asiaya education, health, and social welfare. These are many more. And I know Rantia MPP Moso Edi Semi to just as Antimantem. Seba hospitals on Sompa dia. Na say Abina Dijumapa. They mentioned Kumawu Hospital for Mena, Konongo, Tepa, Bekwa, Sashi, Afari, and it's a Wienra. And Ope Victor Beka inside Bejo Komodo. But let me start with you, my brother. Nana J, your initial impression about the delivery and the launch and everything. Mami Tio.
Omanhene Bedawasi. Sabe Maminchia. Etiefo anyabre ehwe mo fidie minim se kwachi sentiment ma yam penny for your regional chairman secretary organizer and no munya wodwumadi na se tinu se bia sana pai so mo simo bo mo sim so bo mo tsa o mo person papa do mo bia mechia o mo obi biara oboa magana akoye mechia no Omanhene enra se wo hwe maame no animu a o de kasa now timo se o mini business my konkron Ghana enye wo hia man timina na do ya adwene bebia mekọ bia na ede na ma man no abedu bebia yedui abedu hwehwe eye nkomo a enem se na pa ya beto aso oman ya the whole of Africa we are the leading producer of gold in the whole world. It was 5 the whole world were the second highest producer of cocoa. Omanhene Yaw bauxite, Yaw timber, Yaw lithium cry in large quantities. Omanhene Yaw net exporter of oil, because a net exporter, you too fang would be. Today you use any Yaw crano, Yaw balancer, Yaw bika, net exporter. Omanhene can be a dancer say, I was so my Casabri, Yaw to be digi. A day na kaka crab, Yaw baby ayadi. Baby I didn't yet. Because for the first time in the history of this country, Ghana ya bobis here, ya default. Default means yentimientia. For the first time in this country, your rating agencies see Ghana's economy a junk. A junker will be a junk of video. No mind, you see a share radio for Kumasi Bimina. Yakas Omanhene. Oh, mono macra. But you Gugubaraso. I want a gun you could do. And see Sanka and Nemi Baye, and your name will studio ha a advert. The channel say. omo de sika be omo gidi se nkofo tiewu ntomo nya so for so because nipa so tiewu pa ntimo se line no queue ebi kura se member bembere se obi arashi so baba ha ye ka so video ni mo na ma obi am advert ana me boa nti Ghana ya kodu ba bia obi kura mpesa de sika ebe wura Ghana economy nim ase ntia be se obi so de ba adwa na sanya de enka emabu na wo Ghana sa na pay je fidie ye akochina embassies na hwe queue wo ho on daily basis. People want to leave this country na se wo manya emabu na wo mu no omo fi say ni so ade wo mu nya ne say se free wo man mu a ye die pa de ye die na me ka se me cha de me teacher fo nkuma no ka me di ko se be ma unya kwante be ko o se brasolo me nya ne na me nyare kura me nkofie ye de ma me ne ya me de me hu say ya trapem ne be ya me ko. That is where the country have gotten to. Into politics angasa I means ni paneti memu no entrust wo mo sovereignty wo mo power e de mo arrange mu amawo se boaye ma yedie emra yafa na die ne yehunu nti ma me ne obatan nti no me hwe no na nkofo ni agi bonsem ba na me hwe obatan a bebe ni fia bedu no owo ma na ope yedie ma ne ma no pese obatan bia pese ne ma betumpon na so wayo cheche ni achem waye vice chancellor first female vice chancellor no wo embopo ni bia they cannot be stress omukum no feel say the nyame ade adom no ai wo nimu no obetuna effect change and no sa energy no na wo say mamna de kasa at the point in time wo say no you obia she meant business no feel say oman enye ejabede no feel say oman enye ha na wo say we should have been better from where we are. Enti initial comments no and every politician be dem account say ye nya kwanya say be ya that must be the driving energy. Enti eno na ya maame demonstrate enra na truly because me say na ye share words and I say na omini what na okano na wa wonim professor na bia no be catch us say she meant business because you won't go for we are results oriented na you take it everybody say oh say apart from so yeah the first vice chancellor or also in record has been the first running matter and this assign didn't call election for 2 times you be there you call it biana you lose when we are moving in the next election you change the running mate. So for the entire party for the flag bearer to have kept faith Yamame Professor Nana, now the chance to say, you adjust room could be a woman. Now he represents the hope for our females. Yamame, no, you can't know ma, and ma, we're gonna have my representing hope because I know Kai suddenly elevation to be the running mate, no, and yes, or Boakye, but inspire or Babia or Memu to see, say, the sky is a limit for all of us. I never want, say, not all kind of man come on, who say, he spoke with passion, any kind. And let me know be kasa no ka solo else when this am today and this no so when you go into a relationship obani beman na have a responsibility but Omanhene I had here unya kodi nkomo na the next moment I go to rent and I go to phone and I'm a which means Omanhene and the abato which means to am ha twam on frel etwa no I mean, oh, mammy, yes, baby will bring you cost to bear. Now, I didn't see that man about it. I'm a man in Namco. Unya girl, I don't start in Namco. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. We have to empower our women. Okay. You just say when they are empowered, Kaka, can you say you? A man or more or more at least you know be instead of America say first you're going to introduce you a bank which is purposely to look at the women's development and see now no make cost do be my member hello who say anymore and might be here Benua will many man back could come also Benua will bail now I want to mean to obey no be trying to say bill no yes or say bra it be a 4,800 to me say roughly on your 5,000 now we take a bill also 3 days be a or to tobacco then first of all just okay can anything yeah mommy when your 5,000 now what should business I say or no or say a single mother just on there and quadano obey okay and the what government is saying the same. Let us in your bank be on busa collateral. On casa conform project because on only dying or the aba. Comfort Chenibra, only Cheni, and see a buying a bemomo, kaka, myself on the edge, ma'am. Now, the young medana say, or can say board of those banks, a be women groups, no. What say almost and the form policies they are going to formulate and I think that is fantastic. When it comes to maternity leave, the discussion has been on because the teacher sometimes I feel so bad. But people why after 3 months come to school. 3 months now because be in CS. No whole crime is also. We are saying fa crime show and child into our school. Na ne maame e ka no ho ana oba school na nani di dachi nti ono child no na maame te self command.
And nani no so betua ne ka o.
You pay the nani. Wo ka twa ya say nti betua nani ne ka na say maame a odi wachi ba e friend say school no o maame the way go so jai to ko child ya o be betua kwa no. Nti say maame ka say oba ni ebehwe ni edibia ka ho because you monkomo I'm told say elsewhere if you remember crowd you are your paternity leave because also you have a man responsibility to way yankomo pa but by and large politicians must be accountable for their stewardship. Yes, every politician. That's why I don't hold breath because you are holding in trust for the good people of this country. And I say, Omanhene, only where the tension is coming from. It's Omanhene, you are entrusting into your care. Whoever is dreaming to become a politician must also be fully prepared. So you will account for your stewardship, whether you are in government or outside government. The Mohammedan one, he was bold. She was bold. The end then say, one Kase will come after the MPP appointees. No. Both the MPP appointees and our own appointees. Anybody who will be cited, you face the full rigors of the law. Now say, "Ukwas in Libya, that's when you are hallelujah." But the boa, now yes, and I will say, "Nipa by bemwa, yebesom."
So this statement you are making today, yes, we have said it, we have heard it many times. Ghanaians feel politicians don't walk the talk. More. Because I remember 2016, we had a lot of these to happen. Even immediately the MPP came to power, getting to 2018, we had this double salary thing and a whole lot. Oh, Hana, corrupt issue, biaba, scandal, biaba, buruja. Omanhene Yaw, my pencil, the corruption, foreign, no, and Niama Bebre. So, what is new about we will go after? Mekai Mami we will jail all of them. We don't hear anything. Lip service.
That is why the narrative ought to change. You see, we cannot do the same thing over and over and over and expect a different answer. And see, I say, I'm on your phone, you can walk with a talk. A baby and remember. When they say anything politics, we are best to withdraw from there. But they will lose trust in us. You see, a person politics are relevant in this country. Then we must walk the talk. And yes, because look, someone with my leadership, they say what they do. And sometimes if you come make say omo yamano abroso. Mami Eddie because I vice president. And I say, I am bringing dignity into this office. And what is the office? The office of the vice president. She said something that was profound. I said, Don, if you entrust any responsibility into my care, together we succeed, together we fail. We share the glory, and when there is difficulty, we share it.
It's too early for her to be throwing jabs.
No,
at the vice president, who is the running mate, who is the candidate.
No. He is being candid to the good people of this country.
So Uncle Jabba big
bold. Look at this department. Health, very key. Education, very key. Women and gender social very welfare. Key. What's I mean? These 3 key positions, I won't trust them into your care. Why? Because you are a mother. Why? Because what you be paying. Why? Because everything about you shows say you can't take us there. It's easy. Ask all the ministers. They will tell you that's the most difficult ministry. Education, health, sports. There will be a kowa. Now you mission. And for John Dramani Mahama to stand in front of the entire country and say, "May these 3 key together." Don't forget Omanhene. Say as the vice president, economic management team to automatically teachers. But say, may the 1, 2, 3 person can hold. It means we'll go adjust runko. At the papa be my minimum. Now, Obio na ya Jumobia attest to that fact. Ghana for Mutemi, and Ma Mutemi. Mobile come on share. Because it's the first summer, you're the one of your own. Who knows? Say Biam, Obeye Jumason Papa Bia. In the foreseeable future, Obabe to be president of this country. It's an opportunity has been offered. After Beijing, a money catcher say, what a man can do, a woman can do, and even do it better. This is the time to showcase. Let's just give the woman the opportunity. Because on your beer, or your person, she's tried and tested. First female vice chancellor. Young UCC, young the turn of leadership. And I tell you, sir, and you see, in public life, as an education minister, Sabri, the mom didn't know what I'm going to say. Catch us a share, poye, name calling, any politician, the end time. Obedient to me from me, until MPP regional chairman, or sentimental. When you're she ain't for no, not for a person attacking the personality. And yet, until let us inspire hope, let us encourage her, let us continue to support her. And she truly meant what he's saying. This country cannot move on this tangent. Boss,
Omanhene Ejija, Omanhene Konhwehweh. Na Omanhene sani esitie no, aye basa, chese utie brofro kan. Me pam chomo mi entie brofro why. Play that part. Quickly.
These are also important milestones. Go hundreds of years back. In those hard times, our forefathers and our foremothers too did not throw up their arms in despair. They fought back. It is a chance to work hard towards building a country where citizens do not feel disrespected or intimidated or ignored because of the way they vote or the language they speak. The victory we seek as a party is to invite everyone to the onerous task of rebuilding a broken Ghana, of restoring hope in a manner that the is capable of, and evidenced by its history and achievements, especially the recent ones under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. My brothers and sisters, we are not in ordinary times. This is not news. Some of us have been around for a while and have experienced the to and fro of politics in Ghana. But never have we experienced the levels of greed, unbridled arrogance, unrestrained impunity, sheer dishonesty, bad faith hypocrisy, incompassion as displayed by this incumbent government.
This is what the place also greed, dishonesty, unbridled hypocrisy, corruption. Just say abaino niema waye. I say abaino ni. It can be a greeder. It can say day. The 2 year day. Nani brad di abaino from Ghana. O se wa nyini o hunu bida. Solo to asoma me na fe me ma.
I no kwasem. Anya bi under 4th Republic. We have seen President Kufuor. President Kufuor ye fo na busu nyina. Ni pa na wa ban me Kufuor ana me boa. Aba Kufuor no, ye hu ni direct say President Kufuor if you can ban hotel crowd. Oh, you say go to hotel. Can it was news. President Kufuor do. Wa point ne ba. You can't say Temena, Kutuka International Potemna. Never in the history have we seen such. And never in the MPP, we know Mokasa. There was a case I had with money. MPP Nibinya case, now make They caught me behind the scenes. So look at what is happening. Mr. One of our own. Kabimano. That is one more call within the party who recognizes that what is going on cannot be tolerated. And I think, sir, when you speak to millions of Ghanaians, this is what they tell you. Now, only they are crowd. And I buy you don't have mouth. Now, can you see called disconnected power? Oh, Kubat Polytechnic. I'm a yachi worker, here, what worker, say. Biaba, and the heads can speak. Charles was a very powerful organization. No much government. And then you speak, you are transferred to the remotest part. They can't talk.
Charles, headmaster.
Thank you. They can't talk. Many head bidding come on our platforms. You will nipa ukasa. Almost you say you cha. One more platform no. Ukasa ni cha. I could tell minister. You are called the next day. So even on their platform, they cannot talk. This country cannot move on this tangent. And I think that we need to get dignity. Let's send this flag Boakye. We meet security men. They tell us, now the and within a year, you promote 3, 4, 5. And not the but I think, say, as a country, we cannot move on this tangent. Because the Ghana we are building is a Ghana made up of MPP, it's a Ghana made up of MDC, it's a Ghana Obia people should rise on merit, it's a Ghana we should have hope, it's a Ghana irrespective of a political party which is there. Everybody must meet its ambition. It's a Ghana that must not be abdicated to one political party. That if you are your party have to be in power for you to get whatever you want. That's what the Ghana we want. I have just for some time. You irrespective headmaster, you feel doing co-deputy director. You go on an interview. You are appointed as head. MPP came to office, and now we are told appointments are from the political desk. We cannot continue to move on this tangent. Okay. That is why to change this administration is a communal labor. It gives us the energy, and I think that
communal labor, Mamo.
The entire country, including you, the media, never in the history of this country, and the media men, how we the fourth estate, bring it a buying yama yet me a community to the warriors and us in opposition. The MPP boldly said that we're going to deploy the NAS principle to the warriors and us. And now, what is Manasa Azuri? He's schooling in the US, and then the dissenting voice in the media cannot talk. The Bain and maybe by our clamp down media. So these media houses, we think they are not ours. Let us close them. What is going on in this Fourth Republic, especially under the rules of the MPP by Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, cannot even be equated to a military regime.
Hold it there for me.
That passion that we saw our mother talking yesterday, and I think that it's a clarion call for all of us to rally behind her and make sure said never again, even in the MPP. Bo Musio Kasa support Wala Chebati. Bo Musio Kasa support President Akufo. On your own front, you cannot do that. Dissenting views are no longer tolerated within their midst. That was the beginning. Kobede Japan film. Until all of you are they cannot tolerate. There's one more to be tolerated. Fine gentleman. Look at him. Fine. I didn't hear because he's coming from a place. Omufi said he's not with us. But that must not be.
All right.
Everybody should be given the means. We have the energy to move on.
All right. Thank you. I'll come back to you. Victor Akwaba. The bomb to say, what's here, mammy? Nanka running mate today. Anka, a memo no mukrano, one said that need you must soon be. But, and a wabe here, Maziciano, the choice of a running mate crown going into election has become crucial. Mammy tell so, what here, mammy, Sama Waka, and Sama, your opponent in election. And in government, in the person of Solomon Anane, teacher of repute, and leading member of the party, and also a commander.
Yo, Omanhene Yaw, na menchia tifo na menchia senior solonso. Na sana ni kwa so pe bi fufuru bi TV solo.
Ade.
Sani ni yonku teacher ni na ye de ne be. Esa no pe. We so very excited. For me. Ade am gidi say promoting politics. Ade abako. Ene be credit Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia of the MPP. Say the time Oba the scene say running mate for the MPP. He changed the politics. Say yemfa empejam free attendidie. Yempejam free say ye twa nipa da pa. Na yempejam fa nkosoro say nia nipa ubetumi ayede aboa wo manfo no the community. For the first time it was the MPP near ye flag bearer he introduced and I outdoor no a ye man akonya se onka ne onimi ne obetumi aye e de abeboa. Those days ask semboa yeah na ya pigals and here do corner do akoche baby no aka ne abe. So it's good say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia set president. Ne the NDC in 2016 2020 any omo ye bi, but that's good. And run omo outdoor mo running mate Professor Nana Opoku Agyeman. And na onya asa akonya no de kan semo a ofi se ono so betumi de abeboa John Dramani Mahama campaign a mo beye. Not necessarily say on benya to me 2025 no dey ahwe. Nemum say obeboa na mo mabapro. Eti no krese so okeka nsem bi. But yes, Enra say okay na ade ba ko nam de hu from my perspective. I only saw a linguistic scholarly delivery. Thank you.
Say mako gina classroom na masua brofo na brofo na masua me be gina ho aka ma obi ahun say meti brofo. That was it.
You didn't see substance.
And some ni bi wo ho a wo kan no hwe ya mo ko hwe Omanhene. When he was talking about greed, Omanhene, you are talking about greed. Abrawo running mate, openina ukodi nechi no. And yoma etetare no when he was president. Let's forget this. Nana is not going to be the president.
Yeah.
It is John Dramani Mahama who is the president. John Mahama has told us, and he said when he was the vice president, Kwaku Anidowu, a communication officer and a director for mills, Numpokrano or Tumichen. Hypocrisy. You talk about hypocrisy, and you are telling us, who knew President Tumi Yepe? Is that not hypocrisy? Is that not hypocrisy? Say, who because who pay 2 minutes no? Who say what there? Who Congo Kasi Obiza or your mate? Then Mumu or your co-driver. Do we have co-driver in the Ghana's constitution?
No.
Do we have co-presidency? You see, Muma yenya politics are yeah. I didn't say. To me, I penti ye can say ne did make us a brofo kekana no keka. But ye see ye can no cry and some na no can hypocrisy actually say nyatwom. Say nyatwom ka untimi nyina ho nka say we co-president. And now be dia dia be co-president. Abraonim say Ghana your constitution no e masa akonya no. Panina wo ba be di nanim ana wo be di na chini na ye adwuma no. Ensam a mobobo oyi. Emu de he pa na Omanhene. Mo betumi aka say Omanhene na obedi nachi no. Se ma me believe in some na o kan na nya papa we na esen ko di nachi.
What are you saying?
Because you talk about greed. You are talking about a certain vice president. Aduma yamfa onu timi turning who be agent for an aircraft company or your agent. Send the emails. Emma ni nua be part of it. Na mu job be catch say o enkofo bi greed. Wo hwe papa na nim. Obi ebeka na otwemianum na otwemiensam na fra konwa so opeja Ghana Japadie nyina de mani nua. You come and tell us about greed. You talk about say intimidating now the ura fist and dogwe. Yare fist and dogwe. President Mahama nim na no oji media for camera touching and you come and tell us say you intimidate media. But for me papa na aka nsem ono maame na hwe papa na nim no kan na o hwe papa na di mi na o de te ho a no ono adwe se de na maame amase na papa yi kana
na me yi ka
maame ya ka SRDT ame because we should program no mu ye ni na there was contradiction everywhere.
How?
And some mampani na Mahama na bedi ka be ka kire ye se ono ne de office oba ti ne opetumi nti oba do pese odo nti oba maame ne be gina o se nya mantia
nya manti no be
anti no ndo oba eso ni nipa no ode ne ban sin mantia. Now we are going to write a story and it will no more be his story, it will be her story. Maame say it will not be her story bia. They didn't know what they were talking about because papa no jina baby, maame ni jina baby because ye petumi ntie meka say me de me be co-president. Nti mesumo o mitumi, mesumo o nyambe. Is it how our constitution no e kire ya na? Yes, ana constitution e kire. Na de ba ko so ni say papa na odi nachi ama waba no Ghana fo nim no eye banche dada na
omuni no sasai
Ghana fo hu suman yama ni tumi ama Ghana fo hu ni otumi ya Ghana fo hu na hu odin Ghana fo hu osi enya aban a omu beba omu ntie obia wo president no so simi ntie obia nipa na obedi nachi ni his on record to say no wo kan asem a ontie Akufo Addo aban ya dom Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho a wo see omu na ntie obia no for the first time in the history of this country Omanhene we are talking about aban ofa initiative ana say ode nhihye ba na omanfo cassette a otie na ida say okọ na chi san ba biewa it is this government e ya aban we nti no between wo a o say wo ntie obia na enipa wo kura mu kura no sebe o ya ade kura na wo enso obi ani be gina krom ha ka kire say ye sebe ye nim ya epe wo wiase etu ye odi gold kura be ye kwan wo krom ha ma ye enso ye ni all
this happened under you. Now we come back. Now Becca, you sit there.
To prosecute.
You say, look, those words, senior Omanhene, Aban Biam penning for bomb. But what is the record? The record has shown 8 years amubedi no. More the MPP penning for over 48 in the courts under your watch. Because where Omanhene some more can about say and a scandal corruption. Omo can you say when they were in opposition 2000 to 2008. Omo can you say Omo can ya ko kan say President Kufuor wasisa Ghana gold there a World Bank of Ghana nyina ko go abutri. Fifikwete o kan ya ko kan say the vote of Bank of Ghana President Kufuor tama besi Kumasi. Emra omunya akunya a wo call vetting no o se na ye politics no okeka. Ensem omu kan ye nya bi na no ahya ase. Enti yes ensem de ombeka. Me se omu ba pen tumi mu no. Omu di nipa se na koe.
48.
Over 48. Nipa ba ku kura ni ho a sebe enfumso ba ne ho court no esankyera omu nyina ma omu nyina efo omu hudi. Enei what is the record? Anya bia no omu nkrofo a ewo court no emu bensia asenso de sebe court no hu se omu de dwum ne keta ahye na ye ka ye se minu ya se o ema no ni ye pejama na unim se o yonku ba ye chief justice na o party for kwatra radio so sebe nsem o mo ka fa chief justice ho yo ba sa office na chief justice no is the third or the fourth my kanisa eno ne to so nan wo man mu na sebe wo ma ba o yonku antwa nkwa obetwa du no as chief justice NDC for kwatra radio so e de sebe maami panimu a wabɔ ne bra menye sure say the good old professor adwuma waye eni sebe na bra ba wabɔ no eno abi na Georgina Wood as a chief justice wabɔ ya de ne kwatra ase horo no sebe na wade eni na dagya mu nsam nyina kwatra ase radio so kan maami professor eni first person okosa akrata say wonu omo ya adwen pa sebe omo di chief justice asem edienya yembeli omo
na me be
professor
Omo
since those time former minister exactly Obekaya no ye minister of state ono ni the first person o ka omo no mudi kan omo kotro nkrata say of one ya samamu anu mrantie no kotra radio so kafa chief justice no ene wo de oba se wo yoba nti Ghana for man to abama de mo hwe omienu o se wo abadaje esan se wo yoba nti odwen bisa ni se mra kantamanto for danshi edwase ye ma eti ni suosu na sika ye ya tete ye botomu taxes si ye mfa nkoso omo asene no oyonko eti masro edisika no wonanum
oyonko be
eye sedinam the chief executive then what disika no obi sebe uye nipa bone sedie kra na sebe ube wi sika edwafo edwase na ye sika se ye mfa mo 70 million Aya 7,000
70 million Ghana cedis. 70
million Ghana cedis. Sika chuchu die say no babesia. Ono kwa afesika na dinanum. And that's the record of the John Mahama we are talking about. His Excellency the Mahama. Etinu sense no bi ho na wo kan wo be ntutu. You are talking about Osi Abadaye. Mami o Abadaye professor. Ena no ye education minister. Ena o say emabunu ne mrante a omo ye teacher for. Omu kwatra de amfie miensa obetu omu kaboso miensa. That is Abadaye for you. Sabadaye we na ene solo betena aka kire ye say onu na sebe wodo Ghana for mamuru ne mrante enti yama no kwan no me vice president no ba Ghana be say heaven. Nipa o ma me uko moshijongo ha abante ba ko owie wasiri ha. Ye de me kotena ma oko mu prosini ko manso. Omanhene almost every week so want me anya bibia ansande abrante na nsem ne de ba. Emfie miensa yetua ne kaboso miensa na maami na ye friend say Minister of Education. Yes, one na born home modern pa because sabi no vice chancellor or university no be education minister. It is on record. Say only tenure as a minister of education and in the history of Ghana, you have the highest number of strike by teaching staff and non-teaching staff in the education sector. The record is there for us to see. the competence level. Send you to me administratively, no, or to Mr. Shani. For the record, so low, for the 4 years as a minister, education sector strikes a buyer, a dunum. That is the record of Mami Jane. On one kasani handing over nota, or uja hokoi. You be also a yamu brofuno, sabi, special schools. On one handing over, no, on one a year handing over. Or saying fear and fear nine odiano from 2014 to 2016, Ufra Kunyaso. Grant I dema sabi, and if for any omo mwaswesi special school for the deaf and dumb, no, blind, no, and fear me in when Tiakapre. Yes, or no, you move
when Tiakapre.
Yes, or non handing over 2 years, 2014 to 2016. Special school for the blind and deaf. Omu sika yedema omu aye freno feeding grant for 2 years. 1 city, 1 year. Ono handing over note. Go and see it. Yes, ono na ye badaye. Mami handing over note ojaho. Ono ankasa teachers allowance, teachers training allowance. You ono na class yem. Ono na hwema yetwem. Licensure exams, and I'm talking about the hypocrisy. The hypocrisy, no, and they say one kasa.
Licensure exams.
Yes.
Omanhene Yaw mama ba or say, Mama inculcate to know within a unit to Omon being control. Mamma, dear, no,
Meba. Initially, no. Mammy and the supervisor say, yeah, licensure exams.
Almost
yes.
Common
Kagame minister no de buy. Abanye and to us won't near the panel. MPP are buying Babaye and Wojuma. Almost back. Because open to me hypocrisy. She talked about hypocrisy. Almost I didn't know more starting and yet they say so in that first instance. When education is now what system, you say you can't do that. Because if you are saying konanim enti a koko biano yen your ma ye be dia professional body no etimi apeja. And until I chatted accounting no your cultural exams. After say we degree upa your masters. So one cultural ICA and now ACCA paper now you cannot be given a pin.
That's right.
Next for we or training we are. Why your school exams na we no? Just also cultural and essential exams. One try you cannot practice. Law school uko LLB we are. You need to write the exams. And then to do teachers so o say and you can say omo exams. Hypocrisy. And no na kan ho asem nti ono kan no na esa atene enu ti na we hwa and running some ni bi they were so uninspiring to the sense o kan na ni man for ni nti afro say adanya mo dana forcing the people to respond to her adamu antiana adamu ani anye ni ameka ye hu ana sabe say eyo mo da you don't need to force them to clap for you, you don't need them to come and shout at you, but rather no e kire say nsemo na ma amene kika no sabe yo omo ahwa ono ankasa braba wabo as education minister no na ntoso na nkoso. But one thing I me feel say as politics are ye say this million what you now say well through jobs and no so near to be manner nobody should come and tell us say oh your ba what did you mention because say what say exactly and we would do it as we will have to. What I say we will come exactly the same way.
But for him, if he say you shouldn't call yourself a driver's mate, I say you are not owning up to your responsibility. He says you own up to her responsibility.
Omanhene, Emra Omanhene Ade Akye happy. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di kan kasa wo. Baby omuko ya Emra ye to abamano. Who reading the first 3 paragraph. He talked about the fact say Ade bia abana ya eye papa. Nienye papa. He is part of it.
Yeah.
So what do you talk about it? But I am no crime to say per the constitution of this country. You are not the ultimate.
It's true.
And on record say Eba E-Levy. The vice president had stated say unbelieving in that.
It's not true.
Please.
I will let him finish. I'll come to you.
Please.
Write it down.
Please.
Quickly.
Omanhene Obekaya Musista Station, Peace FM.
Yeah.
The vice president then, before the implementation of E-Levy, had made his position on digital levy
Yeah.
Straight from day one. What I say? Oko cabinet. Uni ni pan Asia. And I don't know. Some person am say now we a minister now you running mate. Now some co cabinet. Near co discuss it. Now majority take a decision. Now even senior opposition. For the mere fact say who have a dissenting view, no, Saban take a decision about Bontine because say who support it. Is that what they were asking for?
No.
You can't do that. But on your question, say or no, as a person now running to become the president, no. I feel the final say decision
of the party.
Me to me, I take it because Ghana memu no a executive presidency. The final bus stops with you. It's me, my buying bar, you left me here for because I feel no obenya say 2 minutes there. What did they mention? And so what is this fuse about or say or your driver now indeed over constitution now go to the constitution. And he finally stated the responsibility of the vice president.
No way, hold it there for me. I'll come back to you. I born on Crampau meeting, so now Mema Soloa, but definitely there will be 1 or 2 rebuttals on the issue. Now, I think we'll look at the second issue, on the hospitals.
Very good. My quick one.
Okay, quick one.
NDC is a lovely party.
And this is a lovely party. So I give you just 3 minutes.
For the whole of yesterday's program, nowhere was Nanado's name or Dr. Mahmoud Babia's name was mentioned. That's the beauty of NDC. But once I saw Abrabe, I said, no, I can't. Wow. So bleeding is allowed. Nowhere. Would that tip no 3 days?
Now. There are some. But if you are an owner of a statement, Driver Smith. Okay, who has made Driver Smith popular in Ghana? Baumia.
Was she? She will be truthful. Only deceptive.
So it means Baumia was untrue.
To 2000
was not truthful and deceptive.
Election. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was interviewed in Peace FM. Was say I am not for e-levy tax. That was proud 2000 election. Go and look up. Now before 2000 election.
2020 election.
2020 election. He deceived the entire country. I'm not going to say, people at the background who crafted the e-levy bill, included Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Nasa also only and bill after 2020 election. On the country Ghana was I opposed it. On the church here, that's the hypocrisy. They don't change. In spite of all the millionaire king, in spite of everything, Ghana for said woman young kodao. Woman name day. Say we see you ha. Mami no ton ataju wani mu ha no. Wa hwe ne nkoda NDC time. Na wa hwe ne nkoda MPP time. Ghana for spare person so ha. Omo MPP aban, omo NDC aban, and they have come to the firm conclusion that NDC is better than the MPP. You see, they can go and throw dust everywhere. There is no document in this country and the world everywhere. I cited John Mahama that plain scandal be okaho. Almost money per Ghana so munko UK and Konshemu. They came with empty-handed. But at least you hear Al Jazeera report. I have published the whole world. I can say your president Nana Adonko Akufo-Addo or your gold mafia. The president went to Al Jazeera. That Al Jazeera, I saw Mukana there. Al Jazeera wrote back to the presidency. So we still stand by what we have said. That alias Matao so why or Kase would do a dream of a good man. Be seen nothing president has not responded. At least we have that on record. You will question Yantechi. Our Kase, the president and the vice president are in his pocket.
He has come to debunk that here.
Oh, debunk what?
I had a never in any conversation or say presidential.
When you are journalist of good repute.
Yes.
When we document be a Kase John Mahama Adeli in Airbus. When you document bisa.
The Airbus scandal document came say what's the name that was used? It did not mention your mama.
I'm
not using energy here. Listen, the issue is he used Obojo Mohammed. You have opportunity to rebut that. Because is not here, but you represent John Mama.
Me, I'm referring to Kojan. I'm referring to the president.
Yeah, but also I was saying that Jaka say, and I was saying that Titi has said, oh, never in the
yeah, and I said, yeah,
number 12, you tell you that very word say, President, my pocket did not come in.
Now, I'm saying.
See, it did not come in. And of course, quotient is football.
Allow me to play. At least, it's established. Now, said the Al Jazeera story, they came back with the Japan royalties. You just had to know they wanted to smoke gold out. And now, community Besham with Japan royalties, you should turn it down. They went back with gold for oil. So it also said the MPP administration led by Nana Adonko Akufo-Addo was bent on taking our gold out. And they out. Was it Ghana Juma Nibi? Juma 3 years. You're trying to cut 3 months. It's not true. Teacher Nibi will be a bit say, or your Juma 3 years. You might tell me I was there from the end. I'm a teacher. It's not true. I said, there is no iota of truth in what they are saying. There was a policy. Policy, they say, oh yeah, Juma, they have to do auditing before they pay you. And to be proud to almost auditing. And my memory, as example, it took me first 16 months for my pay to come. Now, can I know Koya Juma? Yeah, backdate too. So in backdating. Some can I Kauba Jumha. The offer don't show. My main Funko Bear 3 months, 4 months back. I get to pay any bar. No, my jache.
Sort of probation.
Thank you. All this is what going on. So they were to me say, "Oh yeah, Juma." Let's over here claim say, "Why are Juma 3 years? You enjoy car." They have to go back and audit. Make sure say who approve. Say 3 years in now over Juma. And when they are paying you, the process was that let's give you the first month. Let's go back and audit and see some months now who claim say why are Juma no. You go here with book. Who say over Juma? Is it true? Then the money is given to you. What MP before, Mama policy.
Why MP before? As you sit here, and then I would judge him.
Almost be changed two way.
No crack. So it is there.
It's not there. Share, Mameno. We cannot do the same things over and over. I will not here to respond though. The good thing is say the woman inspires hope. The NDC is coming again as an eraser. What eraser does is that it erases areas that didn't go well and correct them and maintain the good thing. Now, see the good people of this country.
Thank you very much.
NDC. They have come to a firm conclusion that NDC is better. What would you mean, Bonri? Or Money Party for? Have you seen the video?
Okay. Check. Now,
and that's why
can we move quickly to the more press brief now about hospitals? Normally, more catch Asante Mantem Niema and Adwaye. Maminti quickly. I think so I can give you like 6 minutes. Then I will give.
Omanhene, just a quick one. So, Lucy, there is no record about Airbus. In the United States of America, Airbus, Echo Cotton, they were banned. Say, Omuton Airbus or Ghana. They indulged in corruption. Who led it? John Mahama. In that court proceedings, they said, "I know you're a consultant. Hey, John Mahama, you come and sit here and defend this. You come and sit here and defend. No, you are say you are talking about unbridled greed. That is greediness for you. That's the person we are talking about. And it is good. You better also on another matter. But Omanhene, I am saying it here. We are. You see, you say. MPP abani NDC abani obi anya mfie nwotwe eba pomudi ho nsemo a edien no mo ayede abo asanteman sector by sector eba pomudin ye fa 3 variables ye pfaja ne miensa no ne ehu ye ne se MPP abo no homodin pa ne edikan abani mienu no project ben pa no mo ba ban mu no omba beto ya na aban adi omonim kan no asha na omo ye ho adwuma na he no omdi koduru ye ne edi kan NDC ba kwam in 2009 omo ba ne wo asupiti be se ensia bi wo ho a e wo ashantima mu ha na aban a adi omonim kan na hye ho ase adwuma omo ye ombeto ye ne edi kan ye hu eye Bekwai hospital e champo mreso ene ho nsak ensenkaye sha ase ena ye free ho no president Kufo aban esoso ba beto aso news by ba o mantumi anwie yo hospital a 800 bed capacity hospital teaching hospital ewo KNUST aban at the time under President Kufuor omo the IGF na started with university ho na ban be so omo asene kakra 8 years of the NDC nothing went there the project stalled Emma 2012 emra omo ya graduation baako sebe opemso krowura asante hene e ka kire a omampani se omo mra mehwe hospital no na ya ade ebetumi abia school no ne oman ni nyina omo anfa one person ama ho in this project no so ne ho afei 4 Eurojet project a omampani dada John Ajekum Kufuor e share ho senkan ase e de ho nkrata asem call parliament by November 16th na parliament ama ho approval ene eye tepa konongo seyua ene afari military hospital initially nanye afari nankeye sofo line baby a military ni wono enti wo kabo ma na yensia sensia we no mbeto se na ho senkaye e wo ho a ya hye bibiase anase ya wie ho senkaye 8 years of the NDC no sa project nyina no ya ntumi anwie mu ba kokra so that is on record afei 8 years no omo ankasa e hye mienu ase sa mienu omo timi hye ase no e ye kumawu ene fomina by the time omo fi abamu in 2016 fomina de na omo timi aba omo modi akonanim na wa around 75%.
Yeah, 75%.
Oko kumawu it was 23. Oba kaya sika omo koje ye na $175 million. Enu bi ena deputy minister for health at the time Roger Metununu ebe ka kire Ghana for say John Mahama mo di sika ni bi ekoye hwehwemu a whooping $6 million say obedi nkudima na woni nkunim minim se menua solo sa eye research no ye bi dia owi a on kan kire Ghana for sa hospital si nyina ka adwem MPP so ba
they did dodowa
me kan asante reja
okay
MPP ba akonwa so no na chese sa ensia ni nyina no fuo ni ho ayetimi awie nyenu o mo sha ase ne be kan ho ma aye nwotwe enti chese inherited project on beto ye na aye nwotwe sa nwotwe no emprembre ya me no ka sei aban a MPP aban Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene Nana Danko Akufo-Addo edi animu no ene ya wie tepa eye adwuma ene ya wie bekwai eye adwuma ene ya wie konongo eye adwuma ene ya wie fomina ukwa nurse fo ne doctor fo mu ye adwuma sa na nyina ya wie a doctor fo mu ye adwuma afa ukọ ba bi ti se kumawu
omo hyase
omo awie na no match ya ama me no ka sei omo yi your friend say polyclinic na ewo ho no mu e de akọ eye
the 13th April they started maternity and mortuary.
Exactly.
Trauma started
it's a say ho so master nti abayenu mienu a aka aye miensa ngwotwe no miensa aka eye sawia ene afari ena teaching hospital no ukọ sawia enampo eye se yesi nyina aban yesi awie emfidi a eye se ba mu nyina aban yesi awie ekwan a yesi eyi de kọ ho aban ya awie afei ni ana aka ha adwene the substation because omuwie no omuhwe emfidi a ye de aba begu ho no na se ye kase ye de emu ahoden koto the normal grade ne so a ebe ha adwene etino omu kase hia a substation me no kase through the ingenuity of the Minister of Energy Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh ene there is a new substation a yeshe da si e de ama esewia regional hospital na omu awie se akase ombe hand over oba afari susu a edampo esi nyina omu awie emfidi ese ko emu nyina omu awie aka enioma ba ku mienu bi ese omu bewie na aban etumi hand over afei ukọ KNUST in 2019 omampani ba another graduation ena his royal majesty otumfo osei to the second omana kwenya say hospital no onkohwe bi na omeboa ena me no ka say abaya committee 80 million euros ama na ukọ a ubehu say almost all the buildings that were teaching hospital work KUST no omo ya wie the first phase da entie ne se nyame ya adoma afi ombetumi a start the operation of the first phase was awaiting the second phase said the omuye wo University of Ghana no entie chiro say programs en woche no aban ba ye no emu enso de wa ye ho aduma wie eno anso aban ba ye no emfie woche a yadi ye started 24 different hospital projects in Ashanti. So 24 different projects no including 5 Vamed district hospitals. and a 19 agenda 111 projects. Vamed Hospital enum no. Semene ka say aban sia wie di mfidia beguni nyina mu a. Bosumi etwa mu eye match omo hand over di ama ban. Sa hospital ya no man he ya so ame ya ko abehu ba ko ho. Ukọ sabro me wa hafo ano ba ko ho behu. Ukọ drobonso eye Setra Friend place abako ho mawie. Ukọ manso nkwanta abako ho. Ansa no wako eye trade. E ho so ko abehu ba ko ho.
All right.
And so Uber on every scholar, it tells you say this government in terms of health infrastructure were performing better than the NDC.
I come and meet you. You remember, my birthday is not so long for me. Evangelical prophet Prince Kobis, and now your birthday. Evangelical prophet Prince Kobis, and now your birthday. Away from Amor Frank Afe upon K Kote Junior, and now your birthday, Mr. and Mrs. Kote. Yvonne Yako Blankson of United Kingdom, London, from your sister Riley's cousin. Afe Cecilia Amoaben Sakode, and John Kwajiri. Mathematics teacher, BBNE SHS, John Kwajiri, from Sir PK, PRO, BBNE Gold Stars. Afe maybe Chinewa Kodom, Sakura of Spain, Delvin Edua Mofa of Manchester, UK, Oanko Kwame, Fox FM. Afe Prophet Asante Menu, Rema Temple, belated birthday to you from Azuma Comfort. Mami Josolo.
Senior.
Yes.
Erika no, sa report is dead on arrival.
Irene Opoku birthday.
Dead on arrival na say. Say MPP for no koye no. Omo ogidie bi omo a. Osan komuka say this one is coming from the MPP research team. For you to have given a think tank and a body ban, it means it lacks credibility. That's the first point. First one, the Quad project was never started by a champion. Anybody who say that is being untruthful. The Quad the Quad penny for a some way, I saw that the mother here and this abai.
Ade.
Professor Ivan Chifiatamos and I call campaign. No do be quiet. Never quite in a channel say. You was a young town bidder, 50 a champion presso, say per se this hospital. Assassinate the whole. This over the young Peninia, Michel Chawani, Bessimaye. After the Professor Mus, fear in fear or congress as young town. No, shall be quiet for bo. So you're quite the young Peninia or Bessie Hospital. Two President Mills, never funny currency. Or really a Cognano or Kate Sword or the quiet hospital for it to start. It is never true. It has nothing.
2 minutes.
Any Chio MPP ni hands. Almost a champion ni hands has nothing in the quiet hospital. Was started from scratch and this finished the hospital before leaving office. Just that we didn't commission it and don't call that
the quiet.
How? Omo can tell me what they did in such a bad day no much of the quiet. Omo
We took loan in 2019.
Omo ya dey ho.
MPP NDC we the quiet hospital.
Yes, rules, everything. Who's a hospital? Omo dey mam you know. But say ebi na macho. They allow no.
But you must signal me 1 minute 7 time so why?
Was it about some people for 80 million e work in USC. 80 million PV on my penny pocket mumbo. It had to go to parliament for 80 million who pay 10 million euro. Who tell me wherever in our parliament and you approve 80 million say go KNC. In any share, any time to say yes block back oh you don't get in Kumasi how. All the projects Kumawu, Tapa, Konongo everywhere. Yen ye digger, could give ho. Yen ye drawings, yen ye be a couple on the buy. In only time. You know jets. Yes, President Governor said something. And the Arab spring in the buy. And no more finances when that project came to a halt. Yeah, buy it.
God is sick for
yes, you're coming to go to
okay, I was your for Many Jumadi Bessie, I remember and I saw tea. I don't know me any. The best animal share you. Yamin come home.
Arab string was in 2012. So what are you in 2012? Arab string.